phone ndio hii. Mori, shika hapa we ndio.
From now sowing like we have done to maturity is 90 days, 3 months, you'll have your seed ready for harvesting. Yeah, it's a short season crop, very hardy, and it's not attacked by pests. That's why it's very ideal for organic farming, because it has an oil that is repellent to pests. So a farmer will not be bothered with a lot of pests, really. Wapi 5. My name is Joseph Masharia, the principal investigator of Chia Seeds Project, working under EEO, Ecological Organic Agriculture, Pillar 1. I'm from Egerton University, Department of Crops, Horticulture and Soils, a principal technologist. We teach and carry out research, and basically we teach practical hands-on experiences to the students. But in this particular case, we are working with the farmers. Chia seeds is one of the most important foods, healthy food. The seeds have this very essential oil, omega-3. I think it's one of the richest crop with the omega-3. And omega-3 we know has influence on immunity. It is high in protein, high in fiber, and it's good for people with the nutritional diet issues, diabetes, hypertension, heart disease. It's known to really alleviate those problems. And that's why the interest by consumers. The major areas of concern is how to grow chia crop, which is a new crop in this country. And the farmers are interested. This is a high value crop that would earn farmers good returns. And it would even be better if it's an organic, because it's a healthy food. And if it's produced organically, it has more benefits. The demand of chia seeds is very high, but the production is very low. Today's training was to incorporate farmers in research, because earlier we had talked with the farmers in a survey, and those that had started growing a chick crop. And from the survey, social survey, they had challenges, and we designed an experiment to try and address some of the challenges. The two important challenges were low yields, that when they grow, you can see the farms are very small, and when they grow chia, they are basically getting very low yields. So we are trying to address how would we increase yield organically without using chemical fertilizers. So we have a number of organic fertilizers that are manufactured, some in Kenya, and the others are marketed in Kenya outlets. And we are trying to see, working with the farmers in the trial, to see whether chia crop responds to fertilizer application, organic fertilizer application. The other challenge was a disease that causes wilting. And from this trial, we'll see whether the disease will be there, and if it's there, we identify the disease and we look for the solution. We chose Busia because we have a group of farmers, Busia Oil Cooperative farmers, who produce oil crops. And chia is one of the oil crops. They are certified organic farmers group. So they have most of the basic training that you require. And they are certified, so their product will be certified as organic. That is one of the reasons why we came. Two, the conditions and the environment for growing chia seed seems to be good here. The approach we are taking here is that we have brought research from the university to the farm. And that's why we were working with the farmers and going through it, so that we started by getting their challenges. Then from their challenges, we designed the experiment. Then we come and mount the experiment, we do it with them, and we'll go all the way. Even when we are collecting data, we'll come and do like a demonstration day. And we can quickly see, farmers also can see, without the empirical data, they can actually, look at the crop and say, all right, this seems to be where we treated with this particular organic fertilizer, seems to be doing better than this. As we wait to harvest, collect the yield, measure heights, number of pods and flowering dates, or all those other parameters that you need for research. As we take that, we go with the farmers. Eventually, when we analyze the data, we come back and we have an open day with the farmers and we do presentation. It has to be broken down to a language the farmers can relate to. Because farmers are only interested in one thing. Did this work or did not work? Are we getting more yield or low yield? That's all the information they need. But from our side, because we need also to publish and share the data with other researchers, we have to do it scientifically. Like the design of the experiment and everything, we have to follow it. Yeah, but as we say, organic farming is a long term, because it is a long term process. It's not like where you use a chemical fertilizer, you apply and you get a response immediately. We have to repeat again and again and again. But eventually you will get results.